We went over some specifics of how you could edit a page, but in this video we'd really like to drill down on showing you some of the features that would allow you to personalize the template pages. For example, if you wanted to edit any of the pages, you would go to the little pencil edit button up here and click Edit Page. You'll see that once it has loaded the editor, you can move your cursor and you can delete or add anything that you want. If you want to change the page layout, you go to the layout and you can pick whichever layout you feel looks best for what your goal is. Always hit save when you're done. So if you wanted to add a page, you would go to this button right here and click Add New Page. When doing that, you would decide what to name it and what type of page you want. General web page is pretty standard. Announcements, file cabinet, which would allow you to attach different types of files, as well as a list, which would allow students or any users to create action items and manage those items and when they get completed. You also can choose where to put the page, either the top level, under home, or if you really wanted, you could choose a different location such as a subpage, and you would just click create. That's how you would add a page. When it comes to editing the outcomes, we're definitely going to go back to this page. It is very important that you put the teacher puts the essential questions, learning targets, and any tools for assessments that can guide students when they're creating their own work. As we said before, if a teacher wanted to include files, they could always go to Add File and then select whatever the file is and upload it. Same thing if you wanted to insert or embed a Google Doc, you could go to Google Drive and then pull up the desired document that you would want. You would do that and then hit select. You would have to make sure though that the permissions of that document or folder within Google Drive permit either editing or sharing or visibility to whomever the audience is. And you would always hit save. So for example, on the proposal page, if you wanted to add to the steps that the students need, you would click the edit button and then go to table, insert row below or above, and as you can see, we then have inserted another row on this table. If you want to delete it, you can always go to table, delete row, and there you go, back to normal, and hit save. And these are just some of the ways that you can personalize your template. We'd like to encourage teachers to play with the template, use it, add on to it, and use it as a space where you can support differentiation and personal choice for your students. It's very important.